2020 Civil Engineering Set 1 Question 52. Surface overflow rate of a primary settling tank in which discrete settling has been happening is 20,000 liters per meter square per day. Kinematic viscosity of water in the tank is 1.01 into 10 to the power minus 2 centimeter squares per second. Specific gravity of the settling particles is 2.64. Acceleration due to gravity is 9.81 meter per second square. The minimum diameter in micrometers rounded off to 1 decimal place of the particles that will be removed with 80% efficiency in the tank needs to be found. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed. Coming to the useful data for this problem, the first concept that needs to be known is the surface overflow rate within sedimentation. So in this case, if we are given a tank of rectangular shape and a particle is introduced at the topmost left corner, so the velocity of this particle, the downward velocity for which it settles at the bottom point in the rightmost corner of the tank, is called the surface overflow rate, that is given as V0. This is found out as Q over the area of the tank, that is B times L. For this speed of settling, that is the V0, all the particles within the tank that have a settling speed greater than V0 will settle down with 100% efficiency. To find the settling speed of specific particles, we need to know about the settling velocity of a particle, which is found using Stokes' law. As per Stokes' law, the settling velocity of a particle is given as its specific gravity minus 1 g into its diameter square divided by 18 times of the kinematic viscosity of the liquid in the tank. In this case it is water, so we will use gamma water. The third concept that needs to be known is the efficiency of removal. As stated here, the efficiency is a direct function of the settling velocity. So the efficiency of removal will be nothing but the settling speed of a particle over the surface overflow rate times 100. Here V0 is found using this equation and Vs is found using this equation. Once both Vs and V0 are known, the efficiency can be calculated. In this question, the data is given as the specific gravity is 2.64, acceleration due to gravity is given as 9.81 meter per second square, kinematic viscosity of water is given as 1.01 times 10 to the power minus 2 centimeter square per second, surface overflow rate is given as 20,000 liters per meter square per day, and efficiency of removal is given as 80%. So the first thing that we need to find is the surface overflow rate, which in this case is already given as 20,000 liters per meter square per day, but the unit here is not applicable for calculation, so we need to convert it into SI units. So trying to convert this in SI units, we have 20,000 in liters, so we would operate it with 10 to the power minus 3 to convert it to meter cube, and we need seconds in the denominator, so we will divide it with the number of seconds in a day, that is 86,400. Calculating this would give us V0 as 2.315 10 to the power minus 4 meters per second. The second step is the calculation of settling velocity of particle using Stokes law. Here Stokes law equation is gs minus 1 times acceleration due to gravity into diameter square by 18 gamma water. Substituting the values, 2.64 minus 1 times 9.81 times the diameter square divided by 18 into gamma water, that is given here as 1.01 10 to the power minus 2 centimeter squares per second. So here it is in centimeters, we will need to convert it to meters. So first we will put the value, that is 1.01 10 to the power minus 2. To convert it to meters, we will operate it with 10 to the power minus 4. This would give us the final value as 0.885 10 to the power 6 into diameter square. Once we have found out V naught as 2.315 10 to the power minus 4 meters per second and Vs as 0.885 10 to the power 6 d square meters per second, we can operate these two quantities with efficiency that is given in this case as 80%. So efficiency is nothing but 100 times of Vs over V naught. Here Vs is 0.885 10 to the power 6 diameter square divided by 2.315 10 to the power minus 4 times 100 equals 80. This would give us d square as 2.092 into 10 to the power minus 10. Taking the square root of this quantity, we would get d as 14.46 into 10 to the power minus 6 meters. The question instructs us to calculate d in micrometers. So we will operate d with 10 to the power 6 to get the quantity in micrometers, which would be around 14.46 micrometers. It also asks to round it off to one decimal place, so this can be rounded off to 14.5 micrometers. This is the required diameter of the particle for which its settling velocity will be such that the efficiency of the removal of the particle is around 80%. So the surface overflow rate was given along with kinematic viscosity, and specific gravity was given with the acceleration due to gravity. The minimum diameter for which the particle shows 80% removal efficiency was found out to be 14.5 micrometers. The knowledge of surface overflow rate, Stokes' law and efficiency is required for solving this problem. The relevant NPTEL reference is listed as below.